can be made in countless ways, and making some on the side is especially attractive. Making money is possible for anyone with the will and determination to do so. However, it can be difficult to know what to do in order to maximize our earnings. Our ability to think of ways to make money seems to have plateaued. You should be able to find something on this list that you can do this week to make some extra money, regardless of your skill level or availability. Many of these jobs are ideal for anyone, including, or especially, students looking to supplement their income while still in school. Here at Luxo-Life, we're excited to assist you in discovering simple methods to generate some additional income. Here is a list of options for getting unstuck and moving forward with a side hustle, paying down debt, or making investments with your spare cash. Number 10. Online coaching or consulting. In addition to blogging, you might consider working as a coach or consultant for others, particularly if you possess in-demand expertise. Perhaps you have exceptional knowledge of online business or social media. It's a great side hustle to sell your time on a Skype or Google Hangout call. Clarity.fm serves as an excellent starting point for this endeavor. The time spent on consulting calls can be built in 15-minute increments. If you're already recognized as an expert in your field, you might also consider making yourself available on LinkedIn. Number 9. Online freelancing. It's easy to find independent work on the internet. You can become a freelancer through platforms like Upwork, or you can do it alone. Freelancing as an SEO consultant is one of the more common ways to make money online today. Jobs like proofreading and transcription are also options. When publishing online or in print, many people rely on the services of proofreaders to ensure accuracy. How to break into proofreading for bloggers and other online content creators is covered in detail. Number 8. Sell stock photos. Maybe photography is your thing. You may be able to make money online if you are a talented photographer. Stock photography sites like Shutterstock and iStock Photo are always looking for more contributors that get paid a royalty each time their image is purchased. This could be a fantastic opportunity to monetize your creative efforts. More and more stock photo websites are actively seeking digital art, so you can contribute even if photography isn't your thing. You could also think about selling your work if you are good at making digital images, like the one we used for this video. Number 7. Website user testing. Have you heard that you can get paid to check out a new website and provide feedback? Websites like usertesting.com rely on real people to provide ratings and reviews. When you log in, website owners will post available gigs for you to rate the usability of various websites and apps. Earnings potential per test is up to $10. Number 6. Create an online course. Is there anything you could share with others? There are online platforms where you can teach others a skill, such as udemy.com. You can find a course on the internet for just about anything. You'd be surprised at the variety of questions people have and the eagerness with which they seek answers. If you don't believe you have anything to share with the world, you might be surprised to find that others are eager to learn something you know. What do you think of these first 5 lists before we continue with the video? Are you interested in giving it a shot? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below and stay tuned for more. Number 5. List your house on Airbnb. If you're constantly on the road, consider renting out your home on Airbnb. Perhaps you have a spare room, loft, camping grounds, or other accommodation that you could rent out. The upshot is that if you have room for people, you can probably list it and possibly make some extra money every month. Number 4. Rent your car. Have you ever thought, hey, wouldn't it be awesome if instead of paying on that, I could be making some extra money with it instead, about a car you own but rarely use? Well, you can do that with a service like Turo. If you have a car, you can put it to work for you by renting it out through Turo in as little as 10 minutes. In addition to Turo, another rental service that is gaining popularity is Getaround. What you can make from renting your car out depends on how often you do it. Number 3. Loan signing agent and notary. Earning $75 to $200 per hour as a loan signing agent on your own time is a great side hustle. People of all walks of life, including those in retirement, in the workforce, and in education, have the opportunity to work as independent contractors by serving as signing agents. You only need a notary commission, which you can get by filling out an application, which is great news. Put in your information once, and you'll be contacted whenever a loan signing opportunity presents itself in your area. In order to get hired for a loan signing position, all you need to know is how to talk a homeowner through a stack of documents. Get the appropriate training if you want to earn $75 to $200 per hour working independently on your own schedule. We found that loan signing system is one of the top-rated courses that is significantly changing people's income levels. Number 2. Cleaning service. If you have a knack for tidiness, you might find work cleaning homes. It could be something you do regularly, like a weekly or bi-weekly service, or it could be something you do occasionally, like a one-time deal, such as for when people move. It's possible to form a coalition with others to take on more ambitious tasks. Amazon's new service, Amazon Home Services, makes it even simpler to find work like this. Number 1. Get a higher paying job. Using a career accelerator like PathRise can help you get ahead quickly in your chosen field and earn a higher salary right away. Fellows who complete the 8 to 12-week part-time PathRise program can expect an increase in salary of more than $12,000. This is because PathRise provides early career professionals with one-on-one coaching and tools to help them land better, higher-paying jobs. You'll have a higher salary the first year, and that increase will serve as the foundation for your subsequent raises. Dear Luxo lovers, not all of your side gigs are created equal. Find the best side gigs to help you reach your goals by doing your homework, checking out user reviews, and making an informed decision. What kind of plan are you going to make? Post your thoughts below. We'll see you in the next one.